Alright, guys, you're welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Niger Pride Crazy Tips, and there is this young man that has been kind of commenting on each video that I dropped. I should make a video on how to create a PayPal account here in Nigeria. I'm going to share you guys the tips. You guys know that here in Nigeria they don't allow PayPal stuff here, okay? And I'm going to share you the tips on how you can create new PayPal account here in Nigeria, and you're going to use it to receive payment, make a payment. You can also withdraw money from your PayPal account to your local bank, and as well as using your PayPal to fund wallets there or pay something for online. Right now, I'm going to show you the tips. Right now, in PayPal, there are two different accounts that they use. They have a personal account, which is the individual account, and the one of the business account. That is the two kinds of PayPal account that exist right now. So, what I just need to do now is I'm going to open a new tab on my browser and then type in paypal.com. Paypal.com. All right, you can see this is PayPal. .com homepage. This is their homepage. It's a normal PayPal homepage. Now, but there is something I want you guys to understand about this PayPal. This is the formal homepage, which and this is Nigerian PayPal account. There is a way these people build this website. Any country that you are registering from, they show you your own portal. Like Nigeria, kind of PayPal is different from the other countries that is using PayPal. Okay, so but right now I'm going to show you something. Like if you go down to this URL, you're going to see something here. This is NG and that is for Nigeria. All right. So, but right now I'm going to open a new tab so I can show you another kind of PayPal account that exists. PayPal slash. Should not say slash AE, you get, then you're going to see something different right here. Okay, you can see within this Nigerian paper, you can see only personal account is here. Personal account, you can send payments, send payment abroad, search for deals, pay with PayPal and save money, pay online, pay without borders, how PayPal works, what you can do with a personal account. This is the only thing you see here. But when you talk about the PayPal for AE, you're going to see something personal and the business account here. You can also see the partners and developers. Okay, so that's the different thing there. But you guys, I don't know if you're watching this video, just make sure you take a look on all these differences that exist in between these two PayPal homepage. Okay, so this particular one is what we're going to be using right now to open our account. So now we are going to remove this one of Nigeria account and use this. Make sure you change this, and this is the first thing to do before you start creating your stuff. Okay, now what you just need to do now, we have personal account and business account in PayPal on page. Then what you just need to do is we're going to start with this business account. Okay, we need to sign up. Click on sign up, and here you select the business account. Here is the business account, and then click on continue. All right, so we just need to wait for it to regenerate. uh, Even though we're having a little small problems in right now. So what I'm trying to tell you guys is this: you guys need to calm down and then watch this video to the very end. And then, if today is the first time of coming to this channel to watch videos, the main thing that we'll do here is we share updates on how to make money online, how you can use your Astera to make money using AdMob, AdSense, and also we talk about blogging tips, how to create mobile app. All right. So if today is your first time, please do well to subscribe. Now here we are. This time we're going to validate this with our email. So I'm going to use my temporal mail. I'm going to use my temp mail. Okay, a proxy mail. I'm using proxy mail because I have another account with my Gmail. All right. So if you are kind of creating it for personal use or like something like that, you just need to use your real Gmail. I'm using my temp mail to do this. Okay. Then so that can then we'll continue. Then I'm going to put in my password here and right now. I'm going to put in password. Mhm. Or let's use this. Remember, if you're creating this stuff for yourself, you make sure you put everything correctly. Here, you're going to tell them everything about you. Then we're going to put in the business contact name. You can put anything like your real name. Let's use mm, let's say Bernard, and then let's say mm, Dua. And here you're going to put a business name. Business name may be identical to the name of the company articles of incorporation. Don't use a trade name or a shorter version of your business name. So here don't have any business details. What just need to, you can just put anything there. Just you can just formulate anything and then put there. You can just say Bain Bell, then Bella, something of this nature. Okay. And this is what the customer is going to see. Then here is the main important part of this stuff right now. Then here now you can see that they automatically generate this country for you because you are creating United Arab Emirates account. Okay, so but here now you can change this. Don't try to formulate this particular place because this is United Arab Emirates because they are still going to verify this later. Here you can provide your real name, everything about you. You can provide it just be plain here. Okay, now you can select Nigeria and then start running your stuff. You can just select Nigeria and then put in your number. Let's say um, okay. The PO box. Let's say user 480 480. Then additional information. If you have any additional information, you can just put it there. Then we're going to talk about the city. City. Let's say use AI, and then the Emirates. You can use this Abu Dhabi, okay, and then you can choose any currency here. You can see many currencies are here, but yes, we are using USD normally. Then here now you can then click on this and continue. Okay, okay. Then click on agree and then continue. Right. Here you're going to describe your business, and then what we're going to do is we're going to select or going to check this and then know the kind of business stuff we are creating. You can just say um, Look, okay. Individual sole proprietor. Mm-hmm. A product or service keywords. Then here we can say movies, something movie to digital goods, media, all this stuff. Then here is optional. You can just put your website if you have website, or you can just forget about it and then click on continue. Then here we are going to put our stuff here now. We're going to put the date of birth. Day, let's say we use um, 30th December. Let's say 12. Or let's say 25th December 1994. Let's use it like this. Then here they say nationality. We are going to use Nigeria here. Mm, okay. But we just need to calm down and then search for Nigeria. Mhm. Even though Nigeria is not part of the country that they allowed, but they still allow it here. Now, the reason why you choose this nationality as Nigeria is because you are in Nigeria, and the identity they are going to show you is going to be from Nigeria. Then here you're going to select the particular ID that you need to use to verify this. Maybe you can use national ID and then passport or driver's license, but I prefer using passport. If you like, just make use of your passport to verify your account if you have a passport. Okay, but most of the times if you use national ID, they can restrict your account or that kind of a thing. But well, we are just going to try national ID. But if you have passport, you are the safer side. Then let's click on national ID, and then here you're going to put your national ID number. Okay. Um. So we put the national ID number. I've used this ID to create a account too, but let's just try to see if it can work. Mm, Let's see if it can work. Yes, no, and then we're going to submit it here. Then you can see okay, see this is the account we've created already, and here they are still going we are still going to verify some certain things, because you can see what they're saying here, that we want to confirm that the information in your PayPal account is accurate, as we notice some suspicious activities in your account. To understand this better, we need more information from you. Okay, now the reason why they are suspecting this is because I used that Gmail that is not mine. Okay, that Gmail is not mine. Now here is the only notification I have here. This is the only to confirm your email and link and confirm my debit or credit card. You can see here you can send money out and also send money in. You can receive money and also spend money or give out money here. Okay. Now to see the details of what they are saying here, let's see why they say this. Mhm. Okay, we'll start our review after you have completed all the below information. We have to upload my upload the photo ID. Okay, so if you create this stuff and then they requested for this photo, you can just give it to them. But don't like if you use your real Gmail, just like I said before, they are not going to show you this particular thing, right? Okay. The reason why I did this is because I already have um, my this thing. I have another PayPal account. Okay. All right. So here now you can go on to link your card and then request money or you can see invoice request money. You can send money. All these things are stuff. This is real and working PayPal account created right this. Okay. So, young man, I think I've answered your question. Then, if you have any other question to ask, you can drop it at the comment section of this video. And then, if you after while creating your stuff, if you have any challenges, then you can also drop it in the comment section of this video. I'm going to help you and resolve the issue. All right. So, and in our next video, we are going to talk how to create a web money account. So you can use web money to withdraw your money from Astera from any amount like from $5 and above. So I'm also going to show you how you can convert any money that you have in web money to Bitcoin and then send it to your Binance where you can run P2P and then withdraw your money to your bank. So thank you for watching today's tutorial and may God bless you. If today is the first time, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.